In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your project and select the text button down here and write your text up in the preview for like so. Then you can align it if you want to do that. And then from here, to add the typewriter effect, you need to go down to effects. You need to go over to search and click in linear wipe and just drag it over to your text timeline like so. Then from here up in effects control, you need to change the wipe angle to 270 and the transition needs to be up on 100 so the text is invisible like so. Then you need to go over to the start of your text clip and make a keyframe. Then from here you need to go over a couple seconds and change the 100 to 0 like so. And I can quickly show you how it's going to look like so. And if you want to have this gone a little bit faster, you can take the keyframe and just put it closer towards the start of the keyframe, like so. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!